Alright, so right now, I'm gonna do a magic trick and I'm gonna do the tutorial. This is called Piercing Headache. Sorry, I'm just gonna turn that off. Okay. Alright, so basically this trick involves, a normal pen. The only thing different about this pen is just that it doesn't have the little grip, but so you don't think that I'm cheating, I'm actually going to use a different pen. It's the same type of pen, it's just going to be black. Alright, so I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 objects here. I have a pen, a dollar, and I'll let you inspect all of these, and a piece of paper. Now I'm gonna let you can take this pen apart, you can look at, you can take the grip off, you can open it, you can click this 1,000 times to see that it's a normal pen. So they get it and they inspect it, and I'm not really gonna do that because I know it's a normal pen, but just so you know, I'll unscrew it. It's a normal pen. It's got the normal stuff inside. Last time I did this, one time I just took it apart and everything, and I couldn't get it back together, so I'm not going to do that right now. But it's a normal pen. I can click it and it'll go in and out every time. Alright, I have that. And then I have this normal dollar. You can go ahead and inspect it. So you give it to them, and it's normal. And it's just $1. By the way, in case you think it's $2. Now, so the dollar can wrap around the paper, I'm gonna just tear this. Oh, do you want to inspect the paper? Well, there's nothing really to inspect because it's normal. There's nothing's written, so you don't. You can go ahead and watch. I'm just gonna fold it to about right here. Now fold it the other way, and hopefully it tears nice. Okay, so I'm not using this right here. This is no more use. Okay, so I'm gonna take the dollar, and basically it's gonna look like this, but with the paper in between. Fold both flaps and fold it in half, so it'll look like that on the outside, but a little bit different. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this and fold it here. Oh, I didn't do a very good job, but that's okay, as long as it's folded. I'm not doing very well. And fold it in half. Alright, so all that matters is that you can tell there's 2 little flaps over here and 2 little flaps over here, and down here is, and now this is George Washington's head. And the reason this is called Piercing Headache, because I'm going to take the pen and stab his head, and hopefully the medic can repair him. So let's just go ahead and it's a little hard because the dollar's a little bit tough, and you slowly see the pen at the bottom. And I'll unclick it and pull it out, and alright, so you see the slit right there. So that's legit. And you inspected the pen, and with a little rub and a blow, he's back to normal. So, I'm going to show you the tutorial on this trick. What you're going to need is a piece of paper, a regular pen, and a regular dollar. And like I did, you're going to fold the flaps down on each side so they wrap around it. And then it'll look like that from your point of view and that from spectator's point of view. And then you're going to fold it in half. And you don't want a really thin paper like I have, because it's kind of going to be hard when you try to get it through the hole, because then you might actually stab it. But what you're going to do, I'll have to scoot closer, is you're going to look inside of this and go behind the pocket. So I'll show you exactly what that means. So you don't open it, but there's this little flap in here, and you can just stick your pen down here, and it still works if you have the thing closed. It looks like it's going right through the dollar. It's not like you open it and show them. That would not be good. Don't do that. But don't make it so obvious that don't look and stuff like, oh, okay. But you want to kind of just memorize and get this down. And you kind of make it look like it's tough to get the pen through, because it's going through the dollar and the paper. So you just do that. And it goes through. You can go as far down as you want. Like, if you want, you can. If you have a bigger piece of paper, I could probably still do this. You can make the whole pen go through it, and then it makes the hole a lot bigger. And open it up so you see that, and there's never been a hole. And so you open it up like that, and you're gonna take your finger right about where the hole is and kind of hold it so that when you take the paper off the back, you're pretending that there's a hole, but there's not. Excuse me. And then you do that, so you can cover it so they don't think, oh, there never was a hole, you're doing something sneaky. You cover it up, and you can rub it and say, alright, I'm going to blow it. Okay, get the medics in. You can get the medic, and something that I did, not in this trick, but what I did was with my friend, I took like one of these pencil boxes and rubbed it, and then I took a little piece of paper, taped it on, pat it. I took the piece of paper off, showed that it was regular, and I went. So it's out really cool. So I hope you enjoy this video. See you next time. This was the piercing headache.